And we're back. It's a proven fact that most people can't tell the difference between taffy and toffee. So I thought it'd be fun to bring you guys in here to the TMV kitchen to see if we could run a little taste test. So what I have here is some saltwater taffy and some chocolate toffee squares. Wouldn't be much of a taste test without a blindfold, so I'm going to go ahead and put one on. Now while this is on, I really can't see much of anything. I just want to make that clear. Okay, here we go. Interesting, but I'm still not really clear. Toffee, taffy. Looks like I was right.